In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out with the Sendwave Wallet, a useful tool for managing your finances effortlessly. Whether you're new to Sendwave or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can smoothly transfer your funds. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Sendwave website or open the app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it might be a good time to do so, as the app provides a convenient way to manage your transactions. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. Double check that all your profile details are up to date to avoid any hiccups later on. Next, it's time to choose your preferred payout method. Sendwave offers a variety of options, including bank transfers or mobile wallet deposits. Take a moment to consider which method works best for you, depending on your personal preferences or the speed with which you need access to your funds. Knowing your options can make the process feel a lot more manageable. Now that you've chosen your payout method, the next step involves entering the full details of your chosen method. This means you'll need to provide accurate information such as bank account numbers or mobile wallet details. Accuracy is key here, as any mistakes could delay your transaction. Verify everything carefully because getting it right ensures a smooth transfer. After inputting the necessary details, you'll need to type the amount you wish to cash out. It's important to remember that there might be transaction limits or fees attached, depending on the amount or method you prefer, so take note of any notifications or alerts Sendwave provides. Ensuring you're comfortable with these terms will help keep the process stress-free. With everything set up, the next step is to review your transfer. Click on the Review Transfer button to get an overview of your transaction. This screen will allow you to double-check that everything appears correctly. Reviewing your transfer details is a crucial step, as it gives you the opportunity to spot any errors before they become an issue. Finally, it's time to confirm your transfer. Once you're satisfied with what you've reviewed, simply click Confirm Transfer to proceed. At this point, your transaction will be processed. Depending on the payout method, it may take some time for the funds to reach your account. Remember, patience is key, and you can always reach out to Sendwave's customer support for any queries or concerns. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cash out using Sendwave Wallet. Whether you're using it for personal transactions or sending money to someone else, this method is designed to be simple and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy transferring.